semi hauling cattle to Utah from Alberta turned over Tuesday on Highway 12 while heading eastbound. EMS crews stood by on alert while authorities used various methods to get to the trapped cattle. And ranchers from the area assembled borrowed cattle guards to pen the animals in once they were freed. Private trailers move into position as crews prepare to free more livestock. After the major cuts were made, firemen pry open the roof of the toppled trailer. Giving space for the tired cattle to retreat. After an hour or so in the trailer-turned jail cell, the bovines struggle to get on their feet and out of their confined quarters. The disheveled cattle spend a brief time in the makeshift pens before being loaded into local trailers and hauled to the fairgrounds for evaluation. Highway 12 began to look more like a 4-H event than a major thoroughfare. As the final cows get restless, Helena firemen cut a large opening out of the back of the trailer, while volunteers crawl, kick, and scream for the delirious cattle to move up and out. Thanks to the community effort from the local ranchers and the EMS crews, only 2 out of the 42 cattle did not make it.